Today Prime News highlight from SNH. PM holds meeting with secretaries, stresses on alertness, operational preparedness. New Delhi, in the wake of Operation Sindoor, Prime Minister Narendra Modi chaired a high-level meeting with secretaries of various ministries on Thursday and called for continued alertness and clear communication, while reaffirming the government's commitment to national security and operational preparedness. The issues discussed during the meeting included strengthening of civil defense mechanisms, efforts to counter misinformation and fake news, and ensuring the security of critical infrastructure. A statement issued by the Prime Minister's office, PMO, said. Ministries were also advised to maintain close coordination with state authorities and ground-level institutions, it said. The high-level meeting, which included secretaries of various ministries and departments of the Government of India, reviewed national preparedness and inter-ministerial coordination in light of recent developments concerning national security. PM Modi stressed the need for seamless coordination among ministries and agencies to uphold operational continuity and institutional resilience, the statement said. The Prime Minister called for continued alertness, institutional synergy, and clear communication as the nation navigates a sensitive period. He reaffirmed the government's commitment to national security, operational preparedness, and citizen safety, it said. The meeting came a day after Indian armed forces carried out missile strikes on 9 terror targets in Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, including the Jaish-e-Mohammed stronghold of Bahawalpur and Lashkar-e-Taiba's base Muridke. The military strikes were carried out under Operation Sindoor, 2 weeks after the massacre of 26 civilians in Jammu and Kashmir's Pahalgam. During the meeting, Modi reviewed the planning and preparation by ministries to deal with the current situation. Secretaries have been directed to undertake a comprehensive review of their respective ministries' operations and to ensure foolproof functioning of essential systems, with special focus on readiness, emergency response, and internal communication protocols, the statement said. Secretaries detailed their planning with a whole of